Hello. Hey, I'm coming to you because I just found a great use for these drywall nails that I have stopped using for years and years because everything's screwed off. I use them to pin up pieces of paper on drywall. They work great. Hey, I'm coming to you because a company called Can-Am, I'll show you, Can-Am here, sent me some tools to try out for them. I've never used flushers before. You know, I'm always a big fan of the mud runner and things, and my other angle heads. These are my Tape Tech. I'm sorry, these are my Drywall Master angle heads. These are my Tape Tech angle heads. This is a 2. This is a 3. So I've never really used these flushers before, but I've seen a lot of guys use them. Matter of fact, when I heard people talking about flushers, I had no idea what they were talking about. So they actually asked me if I would check them out. So I thought, sure, I will. I'm sorry, Can-Am, right now I haven't got a job I can use them on, but I wanted to get something up right away just to show you that I have them. They sent me a pole with 2 heads, a 3-inch head and a 2.5-inch head, so I can try them out. I will be using them for glazing, and I'm going to try to finish too. I was told that this hole allows the mud to come out, so I'm hoping it will work really well with my mud runner. But I will find out if it works well with my mud runner or not. And we'll see. We'll see how well it works. The one thing that I noticed, this is what I noticed, is one head like this is over $400. I mean, I got a great deal from Drywall Master. They gave me a great deal, but they're definitely over $300. One head. And it's useless without the pole. It's useless without the mud runner. It's useless without anything, right? So it's just, you just buy this head. It's well over $300. Now, both of these heads and this pole were $350 for 2 heads and the pole. And the simplicity of this compared to the complexity of this is absolutely incredible. I mean, you drop this, you break this, it costs you. You drop this, I don't know, you're going to break it. You probably can just bend it right back in place. I don't know. It just doesn't seem like there's really that much to go wrong with this at all. But I will find out. So I will actually attach this video to the video that I'm going to use to run these tools. But I've got to get a job first to get it to do it with. I don't, the little hand jobs that I've been doing lately, the small little jobs that I've been doing, I just run those by hand. I'm not really using any tools. I mean, I want at least 20 or 30 12-foot sheets to try these out on, because it's probably going to take me that much just to get the hang of it. I've never used them before. I'm thinking that they run really, really simple, but I don't know. But the other thing I wanted to show you is, you know what, let me grab my other camera and I'm going to show you these things right here. This is the company. These are the sizes. These are the different tools. If you can see that okay. And these are some more of the tools. But if you wanted to call them or check them out, they're right here. Here's their number, www.canamtool.com. It's all there. So I'm going to put this up as soon as I can right now. And I want to say I'm sorry, Can-Am, right now for not showing you a demonstration on how I use them, because I just don't have a job to do it right now. But I do want to show you these tools. And the cost difference is absolutely incredible, the cost difference. From what I understand, if you have these compound tubes, there's some compound tubes here. Let me see if I can't focus this in on it. There are these compound tubes right here, and this is how you put the mud out through these. They suck the mud up, they put it out, and they also have a filler things, applicator heads. So if it's not working well, you can put the mud on with these. I'm looking at this one, it's like a little square thing, and I'm thinking, wow, for hand taping, it might be great to grab one of these. It has an applicator to put the mud on the seam, and then I can just string the tape by hand and wipe it down. That might be, let's see, back this up. That might be a much easier way to hand tape than what I do. I mean, because I just mud it up by hand, put the tape on, wipe it down. This tube applicator just might actually be something that I would try. But there you have it. You guys have a great day. Hey, give me a thumbs up on the channel, on the pages, on anything that you got. Give me a thumbs up. And if you really like these videos, subscribe. I would love to have more subscribers. And you guys have a great day.